Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's guide from the beginner's guide to Photoshop, we are going to see how to quickly straighten our images. Sometimes we took images like this one. It's a great image, but we realize that it is inclined, the image. The horizon line is not coming straight. So quickly we can straighten it up. You can go to the side tools bar. You can see here the crop tool. It's together with the perspective tool and the slice tool. Okay, if you don't find it, you can find it from here, the search. Just look for the crop tool. Why the crop tool? Because the straighten Photoshop has placed the straighten tool beside the Photoshop tool. You have straighten in another location, but in this location you have the option to make content aware filling for the areas that will be transparent when you incline the image or when you rotate the image to straighten the horizon. To make sure that it fills and not crops our image, I will do a small trick with you. Image size, I'll convert it to easy to realize size, so I'll make it 1000. Okay, Control 0 to make it fill the image. Okay, and then simply I will select here. I make sure that content aware is selected. If content aware is dimmed and not able to select, please go to layer, rasterize layer, because my layer is rasterized, so it is not appearing here, but you go to rasterize layer. Why rasterize layer? To make it pixel aware, not vector aware, to make it pixel aware so it can complete the pixels for you. This is how your content aware is able to be ticked and available. So directly I go to straighten. I select the tool from here. I like to straighten the horizon of the sea, so I will draw a straight line here. Okay, now you can see that immediately your image is straightened. But now you have in the image some transparent pixels because you had selected the content aware. If you click enter, you will find that it is filled, but it's filled or cropped. It is filled. How you know it's filled? So you can see that our original image is 1000 by 1000 by 1000 by 750, from 0 to 1000, and here to 750. That's our original image as we had arranged it. So just I click enter. You can see it is filling, and you can see that it had already filled our layer, so it's complete, clear, and so on. But you can see that this image is a little bit easy, that it contains not complex elements, just a clear sky and sea. So let me try this with another image. I will do the same with this image. I will go to image size, and then I'll change it also to 1000, so it's standard, so we can realize it easily. Control 0 to change its size. I will come here and add new guide layout, so 2 by 2, just to make sure that it's 0 to 1000 and 0 to 750. Okay, then I will do the same. I will come to here to this one. What do you think of? We can compare it by duplicating the layer and working on the duplicate layer. So I'll come to my layers. I'm on this layer, Control G. I'll have another layer. I'm now on the new layer, and I'll leave the background to be able to compare at the end. While on here, I'll go select my straighten tool. I'll draw a line along these blue flowers, which looks somehow not straightened. You can see that still there are some white transparent pixels coming. Enter. The fill algorithm will work to fill them. Okay, now I got my image complete. I will cancel this guide because it's already shifted with the image. So I will clear the guide, and I will add view, new guide layout. Okay, now you can see it is clear from 0 to 1000 and from 0 to 750, and it is straightened. If you like to compare it with the old image, okay, that's the new image on the top. That's our old image, okay, with the empty pixels on it, and that's our new image while it is filled. Okay, I hope you had learned a wealth of information today that will help you quickly to repair your images, to make it great to be used on your social media. Join our channel, activate the bell. You can see details about these tutorials on our blog site. You will find the link on the top here. See you in the coming tutorials. Thank you very much.